That's the Prime Minister of Pakistan, the captain who led them to that glorious victory.
You know, we are blotted out of television. We cannot make an appearance on TV. One producer, just because he let my name go through, was suspended for 4 days on Lahore television. Because in a quiz program, he let my name slip. The hospital has not been shown on Pakistan television ever since it's been made. People haven't seen the hospital.
In fact, he talks a lot like a politician. Is far more treacherous than the gentleman's game he once played. Cricketers don't often become social reformers. They don't often become politicians. Is it possible that you might be naive in your thinking in relation to all of this?
In doing what?
In the fact that you don't seem to want to admit that you might be able to be manipulated in all this because of your status here.
You see, firstly, I mean, it's not that I've just recently got any fame. I mean, if I was to be manipulated,